welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to do stage 82 of build the Lamborghini Miura. Now this is the last stage in pack 10, so just waiting now on pack 11 from Agora. We're going to be working on the front lights, so something completely different today. I know we've been working on the bulkhead for the bonnet, and now we're definitely going to be working on the lights for the Lamborghini Miura. So yeah, happy days. Now we are left with two parts, which is 81 and 82 stages of parts that we have not used yet. So we will be putting them away for a later date and then probably getting them out in the next pack. So that's two lots of parts we haven't used, which is a bit of a shame, but what can you do? I mean, looking at what progress we've made in this pack so far compared to previous packs, this pack was a cut above a lot of the others. Anyway, enough of me waffling on. Let's get on with today's build. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay guys, stage H2, we are going to be assembling the headlights. Now I've got all the parts out that we need. It's not hard this, but first of all we need to put these lenses in. So just gonna push them into place. They don't click in or anything, they just push in. And then we'll do the same on this one. Okay, so they're nicely pushed into place. Next, we need to get our LEDs, which are here. And we're just going to be popping these through the back. I've done tons of these now. So, hopefully this won't be any different. I'm just going to try and push that in that little bit further. So it's seated and flat all the way in. We'll do the same with the other headlight. Now there's no left and right on these headlights, so it doesn't matter which one's which really. That's nice. That's quite tight to go into there. But push it home with them pliers. Okay, so that's the LEDs in place. Next, what we need is this part here, and we're going to be installing these onto here. This is just going to simply go over. It's going to go like that. So you've got a pin that lines up. Now, I just want to make sure that I'm getting this on the right way. So, yes, that's going to go into there. We need to screw that in with a type B screw. That's one in there. We'll do the other. Dirt on the desk from this. Another type B screw, and again just screw this in, and there we go. That was so easy. That is the end of this stage. So that is looking fantastic. That's the start of our headlights. Fantastic. I'm really chuffed with that. I love the way it looks. So that is all there is to do in this stage. So that is stage 82 complete. Well guys, that's it. It's the end of stage 82. Thank you for tuning in. That was a nice, quick, easy one. The last three stages have been really nice and easy to do. I've got no complaints on that one whatsoever. Nothing's broke. Only one bit I had to glue in, but it was quite loose, so I didn't want it, you know, losing it or moving it around and everything. But like I said, we've still got two stages of issues that we have not opened from this pack. So they are going to have to be stored away until the next time. So hopefully I get the next part soon and we can continue with this build. But it's looking nice. I'm chuffed with this pack. It really does put my face back in the build, especially the previous pack. Pack 9 was such a small box. It was like, what have I paid this for? Really, what have I paid for this? This is nothing, but it is what it is. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.